Get started with GitHub Copilot. Azure GitHub Copilot, your AI-powered coding assistant designed to enhance your development experience. With Copilot, you can expect to see a significant boost in productivity and reduction in coding time. This innovative tool utilizes state-of-the-art deep learning models trained on a vast amount of code repositories to provide you with intelligent code suggestions. Copilot analyzes your code context and generates accurate and relevant suggestions, saving you valuable time and effort. By leveraging AI capabilities, Copilot continuously learns and improves its suggestions based on user feedback. This feedback loop ensures that it becomes even more accurate and tailored to your specific needs as you continue to use it. Copilot seamlessly integrates with popular integrated development environments, IDEs, with Visual Studio Code, Versus Code, being the primary target. Developers can easily access Copilot's suggestions within their preferred IDE, making it a familiar and convenient tool for everyday coding tasks. Get started with GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is available as a plugin for popular integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, Versus Code. You can try GitHub Copilot for free with a one-time 30-day trial. After the free trial, you will need a paid subscription for continued use. Refer GitHub documentation for more details here. https://docs.github.com/m/copilot. Thanks for watching.